main man team. Any words for the people? We're on Thursday session.
What's up, boys? You all good, mate?
Yes. Let's show the people our efficient system.
Not yet, man. I gotta get the water canister. Put my ice in it.
Oh yes, that's the final element.
And the tournament days feed's gonna be the next one.
Oh.
I'm making Big Macs. Big Mac wraps. Big Mac wraps with my own Big Mac sauce.
Ooh, we should go with the huddle here.
Alright, so come inside, boys, come inside. Get down, back up, good. Up straight away, good.
Any subs?
3, 2, 1, alright, leg swings in your...
Shout out to...
It's been a while since I've actually recorded.
Yeah, good to get into it. What was your official name again? Ball Boy Rugby.
Cup pumps, boys, on the floor, cup pumps. 3, 2, 1. Alright, boys, over here, let's go. Hold, switch and hold, good. Keep going till 10. Hold.
Set up. Ooh.
Set up.
Hold, set up.
Hold, set up.
Set up. That's our fitness.
Go.
Roll here. Number one here. Ryan, you get one? Push out. Up, shape. Push. Man on. Over there. I got short. Up here. Got you back here, Joe. Numbers right. Ready, shape here. Good deed. Man on. I got.
Roll on.
Go blind. Up together.
Come here. Rudy, come here. You got blind. Come.
I'm over. Clean it. Get some depth. Take your time. What's the call, Ryan?
Ready? Yeah.
I'm over here.
Stay out. Ball me.
What do you want? Here. Hands. Yes, work.
Curry.
In there, Nate.